Okay, let's resume. Samodhana Bhashyam. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Etad Ashtaka Mahatmyam Sankshepena Vakshyami. I will now summarize the glory of these 8 verses. Swarupa Shakti Shri Radhaya Pranaymayama Kidrisha Radhaya Yan Mama Madhuryam Aswaditam Tadeva Kidrisham Tad Aswadane Yat Sakhyam Tat Kidrisham Veti Vichintya Tad Aswadana Lala Saya Paramatattva Swarupaha Shri Krishnaha Nitya Leela Pita Swarupe Vaikunthe प्रकोष्ठ विशेषे गोलोकाक्षे श्री नवद्वीप धामनि औदार्य प्रचुर भगवत स्वरूपेण श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य आकारेण नित्यं तद्भाव योग्यां लीलाम् आतनोति. When Shri Krishna contemplates about the glory of the love of his personal potency, Shri Radha Rani, how Radharani relishes Lord Krishna's sweetness and the happiness that is experienced upon relishing that sweetness. When he contemplates about these 3 subject matters, then Lord Shri Krishna, who is the supreme absolute truth, with a desire, while hankering to relish all of this, he engages in pastimes in Sri Navadvip Dham, which is known as Goloka, which is a region of Vaikuntha, which is his place of eternal pastimes, in the form of Sri Krishna Chaitanya, which is a form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead that is abundantly filled with magnanimity, audarya. So he constantly engages in these pastimes, which are appropriate for this attitude of the Lord. So Lord Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu eternally exists in the spiritual world. Such Saptadhike Chaturdashe Shakabde Radha Bhavadyuti Suvalipta Mayena Shri Chaitanya Rupena Gauda Deshantargata Apara Vrindaranya Iva Shriman Navadvipa Nagare Shri Jagannatha Mishra Patni Shri Shachi Garbhe Phalguni Purnimayam Pradhura Sit. And he, in 14.7 Shakabda, in the form of Sri Chaitanya, which is enveloped by the attitude and complexion of Radharani, he appeared on the Purnima of the month Phalguna in the womb of Sri Shachi Devi, who was the wife of Sri Jagannath Mishra, in the city of Navadvip, which is like another Vrindavan in Gauda Desh, Bengal. Shaishave Vayasi Balachapalyena Paugande Vidyabhyasena Kaishore Dara Parigraha Purvaka Samsara Cheshta Pradarsanena Bhakti Pracharena Cha Gaudakshitim Ramanandena Plavayamasa. He flooded the land of Bengal with supreme bliss in his childhood by his mischievous, childish behavior in his early youth by his study or by his education, by his studies. In his later youth, uh, by exhibiting the behavior of the behavior consistent with family life, by accepting wives and so on, as well as by preaching bhakti, devotion service. Shri Madhva Sampradaya Parivrajaka Chudamani Ishwara Puri Sakasha Diksha Grahanena Jivanam Sadhu Guru Padashraya Rupam Kartavyam Shikshayamasa. He taught the living entities about the duty of taking shelter of a saintly spiritual master by accepting Diksha, initiation, from Ishwarapuri, who belonged to the Sri Madhva Sampradaya and who was the crest jewel of sannyasis. Chaturvimsha Varshe, Shankara Sannyasi Shri Keshava Bharati Sakashat, Sannyasam Grihitva Swagriham Tyaktavan. At the age of 24, he gave up his home by accepting sannyas from Sri Keshava Bharati, a sannyasi in the line of Shankaracharya. Tatas Tirtha Brahmana Chalena, Gauda Paschatya Udra Dakshinatya Prabhriti, Desha Vasinaha, Shuddha Bhakti Tattvam Shikshayan, Nana Mata Vadinam, Mata Khandananantaram, Chaturvidha Vaishnava Sampradaya Siddhanta Sara Rupam Achintya Bheda Bheda Tattvam Mulakam Swamatam Sthapayamscha Shadvarshani Yapayamasa. Then, on the pretext of traveling to holy places, he taught the truths of spotless bhakti, pure bhakti, to the residents of Bengal, West India, Orissa, South India, and so on. And he refuted the various philosophies advocated by different philosophers. And he established his own philosophy rooted on the truth of Achintya Bheda Bheda, which is the essence of the conclusions of the four Vaishnava Sampradayas. So in this way, he spent 6 years. Tato Ashtadasha Varshani Shri Purushottama Kshetre Vasan Chaturdikshu Bhakti Pracharakan Prerayitva Swamatam Vistrutavan. Then, staying at Shri Purushottama Kshetra for 18 years, he sent out preachers of bhakti in the 4 directions. And in that way, he expanded his teachings. He propagated his teachings. Swayamcha Bahu Siddha Vaishnava Parisevitaha Kadachit Bhakti Pracharam Kadachit Va Sviya Uddeshya Traya Sadhana Rupa Prema Aswadanam Kritavan. Surrounded by many perfect Vaishnavas, he personally sometimes engaged in the preaching of bhakti, and sometimes he relished love for Krishna, with which he could fulfill those 3 objectives, the 3 original objectives. Shri Rupa Sanatana Raghunatha Gopala Bhatta Jiva Prabodhananda Swarupa Ramananda Kavikarna Pura Prabhriti Bhihi Swakiya Siddha Parshada Ganaihi Hridi Preranaya Swamata Pariposhakani Nana Shastrani Karayamasa. That's not good. Okay. Um, he inspired his perfect associates within their hearts. Associates such as Shri Rupa, Shri Sanatan, Shri Raghunath, Shri Gopal Bhatta, Shri Jiva, Shri Prabodhananda, Shri Swarup, Damodar, Shri Ramananda, Shri Kavi Karnapur, and had them write various sacred books that nourish his teachings. So Kathachidapi Sarva Siddhanta Paripurnam Ashtakamidam Rachayan Sarvan Adhikara Vishishtan Jivan Ashikshayat. Sometimes he composed these 8 verses, which are complete with all conclusions. And in this way, he taught living entities of various eligibilities. He taught all the living entities of various eligibilities. Kadachidva Swiya Antaranga Sangidvaya Swarupa Ramananda Sahitaha Asya Tatparyam Aswadayam Asa. Sometimes he relished the purport of these 8 verses in the association of his confidential companions, 2 confidential companions, Swarup Damodar and Ramananda Raya. Etat Sarvam Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita Dau Vivritamasti. All of this has been detailed in Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita and so on. Srimad Chaitanya Chandra Swiya Grihastha Charitena. Swadharma Paran Grihastan Swiya Sannyasa Charitena Cha Sarvan Parivrajakamscha Punascha Upadesha Dwara Sarvan Jivan Ashikshaya. Sriman Chaitanya Chandra also instructed all living entities by teaching the grihasthas who were fixed in their own dharmas by exhibiting his own activities of grihastha life, and by his behavior as a sannyasi, he taught all the renunciants. In other words, he taught both the grihasthas and grihatyagis, householders and house renunciants, those who have renounced family life, both of them. With the former category, he himself demonstrated household life. With the latter category, he himself demonstrated sannyas life. Asya Shikshashtakasya Mahatmyam Anantam. Endless is the glory of this Shikshashtaka. Gauranga Vaktrabja Vinisratam Shri Shikshashtakam Ye Prapathanti Bhaktya Te Gaurapada Savamukta Chitta Majjanti Premambu Nidhau Murare. Those who, with devotion, carefully study Sri Shikshashtakam, which has emanated from the lotus mouth of Lord Gauranga, will have their minds intoxicated by the nectar flowing from the lotus feet of Lord Gauranga, and they will drown in an ocean of love for Lord Murari. Shri Gaurachandrasya Chatushatabde Ekadhike Bhakti Vinodakena Sanmodanakyam Prabhavakya Bhashyam Kedaranathena Maya Pranitam. I, Kedarnath Bhakti Vinod, have composed this commentary on the words of the Lord, known as Sanmodana Bhashya, on 401 Gaurabda, Madhurya Rasaswadi Shuddha Vaishnavanam Sambandhe Asya Sarvaveda Saratvam. For pure Vaishnavas relishing Madhurya Rasa, this Shikshashtaka is the very essence of all the Vedas. Bhagavan Mukhabja Galitatvan Mahavakyatvam cha, because it has emanated from, it has ripened and emanated from the lotus mouth of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It is a Mahavakya. It is a great utterance. Mahavakyatvam cha sarvaireva bhagyavadbhir ashtakamidam kanthabhushanam kartavyam. Everyone who is fortunate should make this Shikshashtaka an ornament to their throat. Sarvada pathaniyam. It should always be studied. Pujaniyam cha, and should always be worshipped. Iti Kali Yuga Pavana Avatara Srimad Chaitanya Chandra Vaganabja Vigalita Shri Shikshashtakasya Sanmodanam Nama Bhashyam Sampurnam. Thus ends this commentary named Sanmodana on Sri Shikshashtaka, which has emanated from the lotus mouth of Sriman Chaitanya Chandra, the incarnation who purifies Kali Yuga. A song. Wait. What is this? Well, how can it? What? Is this unsafe?
Might be the domain. It's fine. We have some date.
Thakur? No. Is it Gitavali? No. No. It's Gitavali only. বন্ধুগণ শুনহ বচন মোর ভাবেতে বিভোর থাকিয়ে যখন দেখা দেয় চিত্ত চোর. Oh my dear friends, please hear my words. When the thief of my heart appears to me, I remain overwhelmed with pure ecstasy. Vichakshan kori dekhite chahile hoy aankhi agochar kono nakhi dekhi কাঁদাইয়ে পরাণ দুঃখের না থাকে or. When I scheme to see him more closely, he suddenly becomes invisible. Thus, losing sight of him again, my soul weeps, and there is no limit to the unhappiness that I feel. Jagater bondhu sei kapu more loisat jatha thatha rakhu more amar se prananath. Sometimes that friend of the universe takes me as one of his associates, but however he chooses to treat me, he is still the Lord of my life. Darshan Ananda Dane, Sukha Dei Mor Prane, Bole More Pranaya Bachan, Punoh Adarshan Diya, Dagdha Kore Mor Hiya, Prane More Mare Pranadhan. By bestowing his blissful audience, he gives happiness to my soul, and he speaks words of love to me. But again, by his absence, he burns my heart, and he who is the treasure of my life gives distress to my soul. Jahe tar sukh hoy sei sukh mama, nija sukhe dukhe mor sarvadai sama. whatever his happiness is, that is also my happiness. Therefore, I do not care about my own happiness or distress. They are equal in all ways. Bhakati vinod sanjoge bijoge. No, sanjoge biyoge. Tahe jane praneshwar. तार सुखे सुखी से प्राणनाथ से कहू ना होय पर. In meeting or in separation, Bhaktivinoda knows only Krishna to be the Lord of his life and is made happy only by his happiness. He is the Lord of Bhaktivinoda's soul and he will never be looked upon with indifference. There's another nice song. योग पीठो परिस्थित अष्ट सखी सुसेवित वृंदावने कदम्ब कानने राधा सफ वंशीधारी विश्वजन चित्तहारी प्राण मोर ताहार चरण. Situated upon Charane. Yes, it should be Charane. Situated upon the Yoga Peeth, surrounded by the 8 chief gopis, in a Kadamba tree grove within Vrindavan, with his beloved Radha, is the holder of the flute, the stealer of the, there should be a comma there, the stealer of the hearts of all living beings in the universe. I lay down my life at their lotus feet. Prabhu Kripa Kori Mama Mastaka Dhori Madhur Vachan Bole Tambul Loya Khai Duijane Mala Loy Kutu Hole Adarshan. Okay, so that's a double line. Okay. According to the directions of my superior Sakhi, I render service to the divine couple. I always consider myself a dependent maidservant of the lotus feet of the divine couple. Adarshane hoy kokhon ki chole na dekhiya dohe hiya mor jole. So I'm missing something. What am I missing? Okay, Sakhi agya mato kori dohar sevon palya dasi soda bhavi dohar charane. Okay, fine. Prabhu Kripa Kori Mama Hastadori Madhur Vachan Bole Tambul Loya Khai Duijane Mala Loy Kutu Hole. Okay. Sometimes out of great mercy, my Sakhi holds my hand and speaks sweet words to me. Taking the betel nuts I have prepared, she offers them to those 2 persons and accepts flower garlands for them in great delight. Adarshane hoy kokhon ki chole na dekhiya dohe hiya mor jwale. By some deception, they periodically disappear from my sight. Not seeing the divine couple of Braja, my heart burns in agony. Jekhane shekhane thakuk dui jane amito charana dasi milone ananda birohi jatona sakhal saman basi. Wherever those 2 may be, I am certainly a humble maidservant of their lotus feet. I consider the ecstasies of meeting them and the agonies of separation from them to be exactly the same. Radha Krishna Pran Mor Jivane Morane More Rakhi Mari Sukhe Thakuk Duijane. In life or death, Radha and Krishna are my life and soul. May they always be happy, whether they choose to protect me or kill me. Bhakati Vinod An Nahi Jane Podi Nija Sakhi Pae Radhikar Gane Thakiya Satoto Jugal Charan Chai. This Bhaktivinoda knows nothing beyond this. Falling down at the lotus feet of the Sakhi whom he serves, and always remaining among the associates of Shri Radhika, he prays for the lotus feet of the divine couple of Braja. Ami Krishna Padadasi. Te ho rasa sukha rashi. Alingiya kore atmasat. Kiba nadei darshan. Jaren mor tonumon. Tabu te ho mor prananath. I am a maidservant at the lotus feet of Krishna. He is the embodiment of transcendental happiness and mellows. If he likes, he can tightly embrace me and make me feel oneness with him. Or by not giving me his audience, he may corrode my mind and body. Nevertheless, it is he who is the Lord of my life. So ki he, shuno mor moner nishchay. Kiba anurag kore, kiba dukha diya more, more praneshwar Krishna anna noy. My dear friend, just hear the decision of my mind. Krishna is the Lord of my life in all conditions, whether he shows me affection or kills me by giving me unhappiness. Chhadi anya narigon, more bosho tonu mom, more saubhagya prakat koriya, ta sabare dei pida amasane kore krida sei nari gone dekhaiya. Sometimes Krishna gives up the company of other gopis and becomes controlled mind and body by me. Thus he manifests my good fortune and gives others distress by performing his loving affairs with me. Kibate ho lampot, shotodrishta sakapot, anya nari gon kori sat, more dite monah pida, more age kore krida, tabu te ho more pranonath. Or since, after all, he is a very cunning, obstinate debauchee with the propensity to cheat, he takes to the company of other women. He then indulges in loving affairs with them in front of me to give distress to my mind. Nevertheless, he is still the Lord of my life. This is how they talk in the spiritual world. So it's not to be taken too literally. Nagoni apana dukkha, sobevanchi tar sukha amar tatparja. More jadi diya dukkha, tar hoilo maha sukha, sei dukkha more sukha varja. I do not mind my personal distress. I only wish for the happiness of Krishna, for his happiness is the goal of my life. However, if he feels great happiness in giving me distress, that distress is the best of my happiness. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur says that a devotee does not care for his own happiness and distress. He is simply interested in seeing that Krishna is happy. And for that purpose, he engages in various activities. A pure devotee has no way of sensing happiness except by seeing that Krishna is happy in every respect. If Krishna becomes happy by giving him distress, such a devotee accepts that unhappiness as the greatest of all happiness. Those who are materialistic, however, who are very proud of material wealth and have no spiritual knowledge, like the Prakrita Sahajiyas, regard their own happiness as the aim of life. Some of them aspire to enjoy themselves by sharing the happiness of Krishna. This is the mentality of fruity workers who want to enjoy sense gratification by making a show of service to Krishna. It is with this materialistic mentality we get individualistic devotion. We have people who want to exhibit their own individualism. This is how I am. I am like this. In the spiritual world, I will be what I am because I am what I am. There are even people engaged in Krishna consciousness who speak like this. But that is not what constitutes the perfection of sadhana bhakti. Okay, let's go. What is this? Wait. Pad seva nirotta gopir kinkori yami. I am a maidservant of. Now in Bengali there is no plural indicator. The same word can be singular or plural. I will put it in the plural. I am a maidservant of the gopis who are always situated at the lotus feet of Krishna. That's understood. আমাকে আলিঙ্গন করুন অথবা আত্মসাৎ করুন অথবা অদর্শন জন্য মর্মাহত করুন. He can embrace me and make me one with him, or else he can disappear from my sight and make me heartbroken, saying, Gopa Vadhu Vit, Lampater Jaha Icha Tahai Hok. That debauchee who cunningly enjoys the cowherd woman, he can do whatever he likes. Tothapi, Tini Amar Prananath. Still, he is the Lord of my life. Tadvyatit Tini Annake Nohen. He is nothing apart from that. It means I'm not interested in making anyone else happy. I'm only interested in making him happy. Sri Krishna Swatantra Param Purush. Sri Krishna is the independent supreme person. Tahar Jaha Icha, Taharai Anagaman Amar Ekmatra Dharma. My only duty is to follow and fulfill whatever he desires. Ami Swechacharani Nahi Je Tahar Abhilasher Pratikule Amar Kon Seva Pravritti Dekhaite Pari. I'm not that kind of in Sanskrit there's a word Swairini. Swairini is the same as Svechacharini. It means a woman who does what she wants. In Vedic Dharma, women don't do whatever they want. So, saying I'm not a Swairini that I can show some service which is contrary to his desires. Jive siddhite dehuba mon ubhay upadhinay. When the living entity attains perfection, the body and mind are not designations, material designations. They are not upadhis. Shei kale Nandanandaner Svecha Bihar Kshetra Prakrita Vindavane Brajavasi Neer Sahachari Vaya Siddhadehe Prakrita Indriya Dwara Ekmatra Krishneksha Puran Karai Brahmabhaktir Swarup. So at that time, in the transcendental Vrindavan, which is a place where the son of Nanda Maharaj engages in his sports according to his desires. As an associate of, so at that time, in such and in this place Vrindavan, transcendental Vrindavan, as an associate of the Vrajavasi ladies in a Siddhadeha, in a perfect spiritual body, using transcendental senses to satisfy Krishna's desires is the very nature of Prema Bhakti. Jeev kokhoni apnake ashray vigraha mone koriben na, tahateyo ahangraha upasana hoiya jay. The living entity should not even consider himself to be the ashraya vigraha, the form of the shelter of rasa. As I have mentioned, when it comes to consideration of rasas, rasa vichar, there is Vishaya and there is Ashraya. The Vishaya of Prema Bhakti Rasa is Krishna. He is the predominator. He is the enjoyer. And the Ashraya is the one who gives pleasure to Krishna. Technically, such a person is considered to be the shelter of Rasa. So you have the object of Prema and you have the shelter of Prema. The object of Prema is Krishna. The technical expression is Vishaya. And the shelter of Prema, the technical expression is Ashraya, is the perfect pure devotee. So what Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur here says that the living entity should not think himself to be the form of that shelter of Prema Bhakti Rasa, because in that also because if one does that, that would become ahangraha upasana. Ahangraha upasana means the meditation that I am God. In Nectar of Devotion also Prabhupada talks about this. We don't meditate that we are Krishna, but we don't meditate that we are Nanda Maharaj, we are Radharani and so on. That is also not correct. Ashray Jatiyer Anugatyai Shuddha Jivatmar Nirmal Avasthiti. The living entity spotless condition. The spotless condition of the pure living entity is to follow those who are in the category of that shelter. Jeev Krishner Priya Hoileo Tahar Gotane Krishna Ichha Krame Vibhinnangsha Sangshlishta. Even though the living entity is dear to Krishna, by his very existence, by the will of Lord Krishna, his nature as a Vibhinnamsha means his nature of being a separated part of the Supreme Lord, that is interwoven into the living entity's existence. Shikshashtaker 8 श्लोके अभिधेय मुखे संबंध अभिधेय प्रयोजन तत्व प्रदर्शित होयाचे. In these 8 verses of Shikshashtaka, Sambandha through Abhideya as well as the truths of Abhideya and Prayojan have been shown. Pratham Shloke Sadharanata Shri Krishna Sankirtan Roop Sadhan. In the first verse, in general, it has been pointed out that Shri Krishna Sankirtan is the sadhana, the means. Dvitiye Tadrisha Shrestha Sadhane Nijer Ayogyata Upalabdhi. In the second verse, it is pointed out that we are, okay, there is a realization that we are unqualified to engage in that, in such an excellent sadhana. Tritiya Shloke Shri Nam Grahan Pranali. In the third verse, the method to utter the holy name is presented. Chaturthe Pratikul Vancha Va Kaito Varjan. In the fourth verse, it is pointed out that we should give up all unfavorable, all desires that are unfavorable to Krishna, and give up all forms of deception. Pancham Shloke Swarup Gyan. In the fifth verse, we are provided with knowledge of our constitutional position. Shashthe Krishna Sannidhye Swa Saubhagya Varna. In the sixth verse, it is pointed out that we attain our good fortune in the presence of Lord Krishna. Saptame Unnatadhikare Vipralambhar Rasavarna. In the seventh verse, it is pointed out that when we attain an elevated state of eligibility, then we experience the rasa of separation, Vipralambha. That has been described. Evam Ashtam Shloke Swaprayojan Siddhir Upadesh Pavajai. And in the 8th verse, we find an instruction about the perfection of the attainment of our prayojana. Pratham Panch Shloke Abhideya Mule Sambandha Jnana Shiksha. In the first 5 verses, there is a teaching of Sambandha Jnana rooted on Abhideya. Atti Shloke Abhideya. All the 8 verses speak about Abhideya. Evam Shesh 3 Shloke Prayojan Vishayak Shiksha Pava Jai. And in the last 3 verses, we obtain teachings pertaining to Prayojana. Pratham Panchti Shloke Abhideya Vichare Sadhan Bhakti. In the first 5 verses, while considering Abhideya, there is a discussion on Sadhana Bhakti. Porer Duiti Shloke Bhava Bhakti. Then Bhava Bhakti is dealt with in 2 verses after that. Evam Shashtha Hoite Ashtam Shloke Visheshata Saptam or Ashtam Shloke Sadhya Prema Bhakti Prasphutita Hoyache. And from the 6th to the 8th verse, specifically the 7th and 8th verses have very clearly brought out the goal of Prema Bhakti. এখানে সেই চক্রবর্তী ঠাকুরের একটি শ্লোক উদ্ধার করিয়া শ্রোতৃবর্গের শ্রী চরণে প্রণত হইলাম। Now, after bringing out a verse of Sri Chakravarti Thakur, I offer my obeisances unto the lotus feet of the listeners. Aradhyo Bhagavan Vajeshatanayastadhama Vrindavanam Ramya Kachit Upasana Vrajuvadhu Vargena Ya Kalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanamalam Prema Pumartho Mahan Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhor Madamidam Tatradara Nah Paraha. Which, let me see if that's been translated here. The Supreme Lord Krishna, son of Maharaj Nanda, and his transcendental abode are of one and the same spiritual substance and are my objects of worship. Aradhyo Bhagavan Vajeshatanaya means that the Supreme Personality of Godhead as the son of the king of Vraja is worshipable. His abode is Vrindavana. The service rendered by the gopis in Vrindavan, in Vraja, is paramount. Okay. Srimad Bhagavatam is the authentic and absolute substantive scripture. Srimad Bhagavatam is the spotless source of valid knowledge. Prema Pumartho Mahan, Krishna Prema is the 5th goal beyond the 4 Vedic goals. Love for Krishna is the supreme Purushartha goal. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhur Matam Idam. This is the teaching of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Tatradara Nah Paraha. And we have supreme respect for this.